Will AI replace teachers? It's one of the biggest questions of our time, but the future is about creating super teachers. Let's explore the classroom of 2030. Education is changing faster than ever before. AI can generate lesson plans, create quizzes in seconds. Imagine students having a personal AI tutor. Sounds amazing, right? Welcome to your learning journey. Let's explore the world together. Every question counts. Are you ready to begin? Take a look at how these elements interact here.
And dribble.
True learning begins with a single spark of curiosity. It's about opening doors to endless possibilities. Every great idea starts. Thank you for joining me today.